iPhone stuck on setting up Apple ID. So it's actually pretty simple. So yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this reputable website. So if for some reason your iPhone is stuck on setting up Apple ID after upgrading iOS, or maybe if it's just a new phone, uh, the first method uh, is to just like, if you can be sure that problem is caused by systematic error, you need an iOS system repairer to fix the iPhone stuck on Apple ID issue. So it's not a hardware issue, but you can use any fix iOS system recovery, which allows you to almost fix all kinds of errors and issues on iOS based devices. So this is the first fix. The second fix is to just restart your iPhone. However, if it doesn't work, we have another fix here, which is to remove and reinsert the SIM card. Sometimes it can also fix the problem. I have personally done it. It works. The fourth step is to force restart iPhone. So you can force restart your iPhone to try and fix the issue. If the normal restart did not work for you, force restart basically forces the iOS operating system on your phone to turn off. It then instructs it to turn back on again. You can force reboot most models of the iPhone by pressing and holding down the home and power buttons at the same time. If you're on a notch, if you are on an iPhone X or later device, you just have to press your power volume up button and the power button, and it will fix your issue. So yeah.